G'day, today I'm going to show you how to clean the air filter on our 62cc Perla chainsaw. Most chainsaws will be the same in the way that the air filter is cleaned. Filters will look a little bit different, but generally they're much the same. We do recommend changing the air filter every time you use the chainsaw in dusty conditions. It can clog up the air filter with all the dust. We also do recommend having a spare air filter within your toolkit in case that happens and your air filter got no way of coming back. So first of all, what we want to do, we want to pop open the air filter cover to reveal the air filter. So we just take a flat-headed screwdriver, something similar, and pop open the clamps. And that reveals the air filter. Next, what we want to do, we just want to unscrew it. So unscrew this retaining screw here and then remove the air filter itself. The air filter will have this screw cover on top of it that just pops out. Simple as that. Next, what we want to do, we want to engage the choke. That is purely because we do not want dust or any debris falling into the engine, which may be hidden away in the air filter housing here. That'll be no good for your engine. So easiest way to clean the air filter is with an air compressor. You can use other means like a can of air, compressed air, stuff like that. However, the best way is with an air compressor because you're going to get better pressure that way. What you do is you spray from the inside out, okay? Inside out. This is due to the way that the fins are made. So they're made to capture the dust in there and all dirt within the fins. So when you blow it out, it pushes it out, not into the saw. That's what you want. Once it's all clean, we want to just reassemble. So do it the exact same way that you removed it. Pop it back on, put the screw cover on, retaining screw on, make sure that one's nice and tight, and then we put the air filter cover back on. Clamp her up, and there you go. Nice clean air filter. Happy cutting.